కి బ్యూటిఫుల్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్తో వచ్చిన రేణుక దీపా థామస్ విల్ స్పీక్ నౌ.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఎలా ఉన్నారు అందరూ? బాగున్నారా? సో హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే సత్యదేవ్ గారు. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ లెట్స్ విష్ అ వెరీ బిగ్ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే టు హిమ్. సో డోంట్ సింగ్ నౌ, ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్ ప్లీజ్. సో literally I'm a little nervous. What to say today? I'm very, very happy. This day has come. So I can't explain more about this film and this role. I can just tell something that it is very close to me, like Renuka. It's been around 9 years I have been in this industry. But getting this opportunity is a dream come true moment for me today. Thank you, Mahasa. I'm so sorry. Mahasa, the person who made this classic cinema Care of Kanjapalam call chesi na next film lo role ki audition pampanti, I was like idu nijamena anukunnanu. I'm very happy that working in Rao Bahadur is the most happiest day in my life, I would say, because thank you so much, Mahagaru. This is something I can be proud forever in my life. And working with a wonderful actor like Satyadev Garu, sir, I can say one thing, that wherever I go in my life, I can proudly tell that I worked with one of the brilliant actors that we have today. And most appreciable character that he have done, Rao Bahadur. I hope you'll definitely receive an award for this one, sir. We know that it's been more than, I think, around 2 years we have worked so hard for this film. To everyone, including technicians, like I always forget to mention them. I know that every single day, morning to evening to night, we have worked thoroughly for this film. And when this film had come to theaters, yesterday I was watching with the audience, real audience. I could say that they were laughing, they were crying, they were going with all the emotions of this film. I'm so sorry. See, my parents doesn't know Telugu. So yesterday watching in subtitles, I can literally see them laughing with all the emotions, crying with the emotions, which made me so proud. My father used to tell Deepa, just do a little more better, do a little more better. This is the very first time I'm getting that appreciation. Deepa, you have done the best film in your... that was one of the most appreciable words that I've got after this. Oh my God, I never wanted to cry today because Mahagaru have told me, never show your weak point. I had to. I'm so sorry. It's... Yeah, I'm okay now. To the producers, Chinda Kopalakrishna Reddy Garu, Anurag Reddy Garu, I hope you're okay today. He was not well, so we couldn't see him during the film release time and all. And Sharat Chandra Garu, thank you so much for inviting me to the industry. And Mahesh Babu Garu and Namrata Garu to making this film, to make this audience to come. Oh my God, I'm forgetting everything. To bringing this film to the audience. Thank you so much to everyone and to all the co-actors of this film, Bala ma'am, I remember like during every sessions you were helping me out. Come again, come again. Every dialogues you were sitting and helping me out thoroughly. I know that how much effort you have put for this. And seeing in theaters, we're laughing. It was the wonderful moment we had in theaters. And yes, Vikas, thank you so much for being that one great actor in this film, doing the Achari character. And yes, Pranay is not here. Pranay, you also, and also Kiran, my Raja, you were excellent in this film. I'm so happy to be your mother in this film. And yes, we have one more, that other son, Shaurya. Shaurya, you were amazing in this film. And yes, I hope you all love this film. Akul, yeah, Akul, the curly hair wala guy. You were also amazing. And I hope you all enjoyed this film. And to the direction team, Rajesh Katta, the chief AD, and the ADs like Jaya, Dhruva, Apurva, Vengi, Vicky. In production team, we have the executive producer, Dinesh Garu. Thank you so much. Jagan, Naveen, you were amazing. Always one call away for me, guys. I was so protective with you, like, and also Suma. I mentioned, right? Yeah, I hope I have talked. Rajesh Katta, yeah, I told. If I forgot anyone, please forgive me. And I hope Shilpa Jain as the costume designer, thank you so much for creating depth to my role. And yes, Karthik Parmar, he have done an amazing job. Anni frames, it was like magical. Whenever I came into the set, I could see that how beautifully he have captured through his magical lens. And yes, thank you so much for giving me Renuka once again, Mahagaru. This is the next classic film that is gonna be forever. Rao Bahadur to you. Thank you so much.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ రేణుక. సో మొత్తం తన స్పీచ్ ద్వారానే ఇమోషన్ అంతా బయటకు